Bless you. Fairy, welcome to the chat, man. Sorry, I was updating price range. Why everyone is buying Buru? What's Buru? New Buru. Bro, penny stock? Stay away. No, 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 no. Stay away from this stock. Stay away. It's a pump and dump. Probably Reddit, but I would stay well away. Right now, they're a penny stock. They have been for, jeez, almost 2 years. And it's just been constantly down ever since they first started. So, personally, I would stay away from this, or short. I'd sell. But this actually, to be fair, this looks like it's going to get delisted soon. This looks like it might not even stay on the market. This is a terrible chart. Past year, maybe a bounce a little bit back up to maybe 30. At absolute most, maybe 25. But I would maybe short, but I'd stay away from this personally. For sure. It says I'm not in any of these communities. To break it, this just needs to stay higher. I think that's a 1 minute candle anyway. I saw that, but couldn't understand the hype. Cheers. Now then, SPHR. Been watching this. SPHR. Sphere Entertainment. Bye. Maybe this Monday. Wait, not yet. Wait. Wait for close. Yeah, this is all time high. Wait for close. I would say above. At least 154. You need this. You need a solid candle above here. At 154, 155, and you need the session to either close or you need a green candle to come up and stay solid, not the wick. Before I would buy, only because it's at all-time high. So with it being at the all-time high, I mean, look at this drop before. Yeah, the stock's seen 50% of the stock gone in one candle. That's crazy. Right now we're in all-time high zone. So if you want to buy, wait for 154 and strong buying power. If not, maybe just keep watching it. Keep watching it for a little while. This does look like a good stock. Just off of a quick 5 days. Yeah, 553, 554 at least. Ideally, you'd want to come back up past this peak here, but if not, and you want a quick entry, I'd go 154. Would take profit above all-time high. Just above, maybe $1 or $2 more. I'd maybe go, if I was going long, I'd maybe go long here. Stop loss would be 149. No, too low. 147. And take profit, I would say new all-time high. So at least 160 or 159. Brilliant. Cheers. No worries, my man. Anytime. I'd go for, yeah. I'd say your 152 entry if you're gonna get in. Stop loss, put that down 147. Take profit 159. Looks like it could be hitting a nice bounce off of buyer zone here. So we'll see where this comes across, where they actually saved it. Nope, that is not what I meant to do. So they saved it here to here. And so they saved it here, they saved it here. So if you fall below, if it goes back under 150, be careful. Be careful, it might fall. If it falls back below 150, it might fall. So be careful. Watch out for that. I'll kind of draw a diagram of how I would expect it to go. If we can come up here, down a little bit, and then back up to 154 and finish, then we can see all-time high. If this comes down and breaks this level, 150, where buyers bounced and tried to get it back up, then it could mean that buyers up here are going to start selling their shares, and that will force a sell. So then we'll come down maybe to at least 142. At least 142. 142, 142 here. That's how I expect this to play out. When you get up here, There's going to be a bit more sideways action because price will need to build up. They'll need to build up some money in the market. So when you get to between 155 and 157, it might struggle. It might be a little bit stagnant. But that's you know, we're used to that. Right here we got buy entry right now. My take profits at 400. So get 10, take profit 30, 400, and stop loss is at 3336. Oh, if we could hit that quick. We'll go 3323. Stop loss is way down here. So now we're in USA Tech. Let's go check Germany, our favorite. We're up a little today. Ooh. Back up to 25. Swing, swing, boing. Yeah, we're about to go up at least 24,980. I'd get 5. 24,980. Stop loss 24,823. And that's our 2 trades for the day. Hopefully this works out. Should be 2 nice entries for today. So we are in right here. And our take profits up here. And our stop loss is here. We'll just extend this. Nice and easy. Now let's get some music on. Shall we? Gonna be an advert. Yeah. Okay. So now we are in USA Tech and Germany. Germany is my favorite market for those that don't know. We fell below where stop loss is happy, and so we hit stop loss. That's fine. That's why stop loss is there. Because now this indicates downtrend at least to 3307. So let this come back up a little bit. Okay, maybe short. 15, 10, 3307. 7 at least. Stop loss 3350. Yeah, we'd have to get another 25 points back up to entry on the last. So now we put in the short. Could see a couple green candles here, but this is looking like a gold chart, man. What the fuck? Germany, now we're seeing some green. Not seen you before, thanks for the info. Just learning to trade. Glad I saw your post on Trading 212. Have a good day. No worries, my man. Not seen you before either, but it's good to have you in the chat. Hopefully you pop in some more live streams. We need some indicators, you need me to check different tickers for you, stuff like that. I have no issue, any information you might need to know if you're new to trading and stuff, so anytime, my man. Anytime you need to know anything or why I'm thinking what I'm thinking and stuff like that, then yeah, happy to help. if that's entry, then that's crazy sell off for 7. I can't lie. Usually you don't see this kind of action until 8, 9. Germany looks like it might be a winner though. USA Tech should be going up. I mean, Tech is up pre-market. Like a good bit. Go my pie charts. This will show me everything. Yeah, basically all tech's up. Microsoft's up. Navitas, Semiconductor, Energy Fuels, Redwire, Nvidia, IonQ, Marvel. They're all up. USA Tech should be up, which means I could have placed a very bad entry here. But I feel like because it fell through 331, that was support. Well, it was immediate support. So I'll stick with the sell for now. And if we lose, it's alright. I mean, we are still up. We started the account with 15,000. We're on almost 18 now. I'll show you history if you guys want to see the trades I did make. So since we started the channel, because we started fresh on the channel, so our first 2 were losses, sadly. And then we made our money back with Germany. Germany lost a little bit on Germany, made more, lost a little bit. You know, this is why we use stop losses, take profits. So these are all the trades that have been made on the account. So usually all of the trades will be made live in front of you guys. And that's it. So we're up 2,097 right now. Oh, well. Retired Hawk. I remember you. We broke 331. Not bad. We're going back up though. This is going back up. I'm gonna stop this here. It returned, bounced. This is the problem with revenge trading. Never ends well. So we'll get another 10 of this, and we're going to 3,400 for sure. 34, at least 20 maybe. 34.20, and then we'll go stop loss. 30. We say 2.8. Yeah. Okay. Germany doing well. We'll be back. Laney. No worries. No worries. Take your time, my man. Go do whatever you need to do, and you know it's still quite early in the day, so I'm sure you have plenty that you need to be getting on with and getting ready for stuff and whatever else. I'm just off 12-hour night shift, so for me, there's not much. You know, now it's just basically do live stream and go to bed. So. Honestly. We're way up to the actually.
What's politics got to do with the price of bread? The S&P is capping essential food items. Vote S&P and vote Richard Thompson on the 18th of June.
Absolutely not. That's a massive fall, bro. Silver and gold lately, man, they've just been so fucking... There's no safe haven in that at all anymore. Genuinely none. So dumb. Sorry about the YouTube overlay. Demand zone here, it's so small though. And then second demand zone here. Third here. Down there. And next will be here. Here, or if you want the super mini one, you can go here. And for short, you're looking for this. And you're looking for this. So from the level we're at just now, if we break consolidation upwards, then your first take profit would be 69.49. Second would be 69.72, and then up to 70. If we're going down, if we break and fall through to here, then first take profit is 68.35. Second take profit is 68.2. It is in this consolidation area again though. USA Tech, we're down a little bit, but it's alright because it's not followed the line. So this is peak lines and it broke. You see it breaks peak here and now it breaks peak again. So we could see upwards movement from here. And our stop loss is actually way down here. And our take profit is up here. Germany still going well. Demand zone's buying up quite nicely. Just tech needs to hurry up, but maybe 8 o'clock we see that potentially. How's soy doing? Not great. Silver, we're falling. It is 7. It's 20 past 7, guys, so I would be careful. Right now, 30 minutes before market open, usually you'll see the opposite of what's happened during the day. So you see silver's up right now, but for 30-40 minutes before EU and UK open, it will probably sell. It will be selling from Japan, Asia, Asian session. So oil will start to go up here in a second as well. So it's down, down, down all day, been down, and then it will start going up a little bit towards 8, and then on 8 o'clock it will just dip back down again. But right now you're seeing it bounce a little bit, seeing it kind of hit consolidation for this little time period. Completely normal before a market open. Like this, I'm not too worried about this, that's why we got a longer stop loss. We do have a second downtrend starting, but this one, if we were to adjust it, would now have to come way back up. So this is actually fine. It's not even up 1% today. When you go for the past 3 months, we're actually still kind of down. It filled this gap here, which is what the bounce was. That's why when it got to this price it bounced, because buyers here forcing that back up. Germany, this is just demand, supply, demand zone. Then you have loads of demand zones here. They've all been broken, so shorters are going to be forced out, short squeeze up. Same thing's happening right now. Short squeeze, bang, 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 we go up. This Germany one's gonna hit a bit faster than I thought. Maybe I thought this one would take a minute. Gold. Wait for Fed. Wait for Fed. Technically buy, but wait for Fed. Crude oil, technically short. I would say go short. Sphere Entertainment. I quite like this company this guy recommended. It's a nice chart. I do like it. It's quite nice. Right now Germany is absolutely steamrolling. Holy shit. Look at this, guys. Another great day. Need this to ping up two more boxes. 20 bucks. And we hit the first take profit for today. But once it breaks that, you buy some more. Next take profit 25,030. 25,020. If it breaks, but expect it once it breaks this to come back down a little bit. For sure. At least until 8 o'clock. Now you see US slowly creeping up again.
There once was a woman who lived
Slowly
in a shoe,
moving up again.
a size too snug,
fine.
but what could she do? With experience help, she improved her score.
Look at that.
For a brand new
Pew,
place
pew.
she totally
Green candles
adored.
are shooting back up.
With
They're
room to
fighting
grow and a mortgage
this
to
level here.
suit,
They don't want
now she
to
lives
come
in a
down here
spacious
to this
4-bedroom
bench again.
cowboy boot. Get mortgage ready
So,
with the UK's most trusted
once we
credit
start breaking
score.
through these
Download
levels,
the free Experian app today.
the shorters
Experian.
will
Better your
panic,
score, better your story.
sell,
Based
short
on an
squeeze,
independent
we
UK
push
consumer
up.
survey, April 2026. See
extend this along a bit.
experian.co.uk/claims.
Germany wants to. Crude oil, you know, right now we could short this. We want it to come back up a little bit though. Need at least this candle to be green before I would even go near it. To be honest. My wrist is in a different level of pain. If you guys didn't know, obviously I posted on Trading 212. You can see my scar probably. I broke my wrist, so I had physio yesterday. That's why there was no live stream. I had to go home straight to bed. So I couldn't stay up and watch market. But yeah, not a fun one, guys. I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest. Would not recommend it. I see consolidation. Green candle before this one broke higher, so might see sideways for a little bit before we go higher again. USA Fell off a cliff and jumped straight back up. Yeah, it just doesn't want to touch that levels below. And now we're back in the green. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Should mean the oil starts dipping here in a second. It shoots up to where we want it, so we sell now. I'd say at least 750. Okay, I've used all my margin. Never mind. Now we see USA moving. Now. Now, let's have a little look at now. What is now doing? Now was a good pick, but I called that months ago. No, stay away. No, stay away. No, 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 no. I called it when it was here, I think. At like 90 or 100. And I said it'll go to 120, 150 when it went up to 139. So right in that range. So I already called this. I would say right now, wait. It got rejected here. Not good. Not good. Where is it? I'll find my post. Yeah. Now. New gem. I'm keeping a close eye on now. Risky play, major upside if bull move happens. Target 150, 180. This was a month ago. So 1 month ago, now was here, where we are now, and then it jumped straight up. I think someone said they made 123% or something on their investment on it. That was alright. But yeah, I knew I had now already, but I wouldn't get now right now. I would leave that. You actually looking pretty good. Maybe buy. A pump is a way to happen in Virgin Galactic, but it will dump just as quick, so be careful. Be very careful. Alright, so we're still in the green on Germany, we are still in the green for USA Tech, and we went up and hit a new height, so that is good signs. If your first take profit was hit, then that's amazing. If not, then we're in for this long take profit, which is daily mid-high, almost daily high. But once we break through a couple of order blocks here, it should have no problem at all. Shoot.
At Hyperoptic, we do full fibre broadband, so you can win that, boss that, try that, or stream that. Do it all with confidence. Do life with broadband that's in your corner. Check hyperoptic.com for availability and terms.
Keep an eye on the charts. It's okay. It's half an hour before before 8 o'clock open. What did I say? We'll see some downwards movement for the next 30 minutes. Sideways or down. That's all you're gonna see for the next 30 minutes. Or something's being shorted all night. It'll go up right now. Like oil, probably going up. Yeah, look at that. Same every day, every single day. But it can swap in like 2 seconds, so when it's this time in the morning, usually I would advise don't trade, but I like to get in the early trade just before it opens. But you have to hope that you survive the 15-30 minutes where they just do the complete opposite of what's been happening all day. Sometimes you don't survive and it hits your stop loss, and that's the life of trading, I guess. But for the most part, if you can get in early enough and you get a good entry, then you should be all good. You should be all good. This is perfect. Good movement. This is what we want to see. After we see strong movement upwards, we want to see either sideways or downwards for a little bit. Because if you see just straight up, then you're more inclined to get the next candle to just be a straight red off a cliff. And that's not what you want. So this is healthy. We're seeing it build up price, shorters, people are entering positions, building up money, cash flow. That's perfect. That's what you want. Same with USA Tech. It fell down to what, 322, and then shot straight up to 383. So it's normal that it will now come back down a little bit, go sideways, and things like that. Doom, doom, doom. Man, I wish I didn't use all my margin because I kind of want to short oil right now, to be honest. I mean, it could do the opposite. I mean, UK could have bought really cheap yesterday and will just sell as soon as it opens, but tech is up pre-market. So as soon as it hits 9 o'clock and markets open, and all that tech stock is green, bro, it could only mean one thing. It only means one thing. It means we're going up. Damn, actually in the red. That's what I mean, you gotta survive this 15-30 minutes. It's brutal. Every time. How much would I be up on the account right now? Like 2,000 divided by 2 divided by 15 divided by 2 would be 7.5. So I'm up like 7.5% on the account in 2 weeks. It's not bad. Pretty decent. Bounce stopped a bit higher though, that's good. That's brilliant. Germany did the same. Yeah, wait to do the same. And then crude away to do the same up, and then we're gonna hit the bounce down right here. Here? Should hit a bounce down. Hey, hey! I mean, I can be wrong, chat, but it's rare. This candle should come way up. Should. But we broke and the bottoms are way, way better. Broke part in a downward trend as well with that last push. It's almost double confirmation. Push, push higher. Just stay higher than that dip. Stop loss should low key be 33.05. Change stop loss to 33.05 if you are in trade. Much safer. Because if it breaks, if it goes to 33.05, it could just fall. But I think at 8 or 9 it should start climbing back up. Which is 20 minutes away, so let's hope we don't get liquidated by then. I think while we wait for market open, we play a game of open front real quick. 6 teams of 2, 3 teams of 28. These are all terrible. I want like a team of 2. Jesus. Yeah, try to move stop loss up a bit. That's not the best of signs. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. It's heavy. It's a lot of selling pressure. But I don't know why. Trump says Apple to partner with Intel on US chip design production 20 minutes ago. Oh my lord. Google Gemini co-lead Noam Shizer to joint IPO bound OpenAI. Yo, ChatGPT? Think about this, chat. Everybody uses ChatGPT. If you use it, everybody's using it, right? That's the stock you want. If you use it, get it, you know? Apple's raising their prices. JP Morgan blocks Anthropic AI access for Hong Kong stock. Apple to partner with Intel. So buy Apple and Intel. Apple and Intel buy. 20 minutes ago. That's so good. My guy, I gave price zones. I gave zones. I mean, there's a reason that I gave zones like that, and it's so that, you know, you can't just be like, oh, if it goes up, it goes up, if it goes down, it goes down. No, you have to read the market for both. You can't just read the market for one. You can't just say, oh, it's only going to go up, and if it doesn't go up, then it's just going to go sideways. No. 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 You need to find where resistance is, so you know if it falls below that price, it's more likely to keep falling. That's what it means. Come on. Use your brain. Don't tell me I didn't provide analysis when I gave you price zones. It's silly. If he was watching the stream right now, he'd feel like an idiot. Sorry, but it's like the most entitled comment ever. I'm trying to help people. want the help, you don't have anything to add to the post, just don't comment. Because I clearly provided a zone. Oh no, but look who actually gave price prediction to be up on the market right now. That would be me. That would be... I'm the one that's live right now. Like... Hello? Silly, silly, silly. Ah, wrestle. I see. Very nice. I mean, all he has to do is take 2 seconds out of his day, go on my page, come to my live stream, see that I have a chart up, see that I have zones marked for reasons. Silly. Silly, silly boy. But that's alright. Let them. Don't stop your enemies when they make mistakes. It's okay, we're getting closer to 8 now. And I told everybody in the community we're gonna hit 3,400 before 9 AM. It's 10 to 8. Still got an hour and 10 minutes. And this shit's pretty close. I can't give stop losses and take profits on trading 212. They'll ban me. They almost banned me before, bro, for having my Discord. Like, so dumb. Oh, you're taking people off of the platform. No, I'm getting away from all the Reddit users in the comment sections. That's what I'm doing. Like, when I first started using Trading 212, the social tabs were brilliant. You know, you could give analysis, or you could try and give tips and help people out, and or just give your thoughts on what you thought the market was gonna do. And everybody was helpful or commenting, trying to understand stuff, and But now it seems like it's turned into Reddit chat, man. It's pure slop. It is pure slop on the Trading 212 social pages now. Someone will ask for help, and they'll just get absolutely railed in the comment section. They'll genuinely just get absolutely steamrolled by the chat. It's insane. It's kind of funny to sit and read through, though. I mean, it keeps you busy when you're bored at work, I guess. But Germany's doing well as well, so that's good. Hopefully a way to take profit soon. We got 9 minutes till open. So while we wait for open, 2 teams of 30, yay! Let's go to open front. Tech news, anything new? Routers, technology. Technology. NVIDIA supplier SK Hynix ships samples of next generation chips to major. Ooh. Ooh, very good. I'm on Team Red. We are low-key taking this shit, so yeah, okay. Oh no. Looks like we're on blue side. Oh shit. I'm cooked. No, I'm cooked. Okay, bro. Whoa! Where'd my take profit go? Excuse me? We got in here. Weird. 2 teams of 6. Be interesting. 7 minutes. Oh, that's my bad. 15 teams of 2? No! Absolutely not. That is not what I meant to do. History. Of course.
Any tap-in is possible with an easy way to pay.
No apologies.
I'm just gonna wing it and see what happens.
Right, okay.
What makes a creator credible?
What? I didn't join this game. No. What? Never have I been so confused in all my life. Alright, we're still going good. Germany and USA Tech, both in the green. Straight smash through consolidation level on USA Tech as well. Germany wants to push our take profit. Very nice. If one of these take profits hit, we can get a short on oil really quick. If it hits before 8. Come on, we got 4 minutes. I think USA Tech's gonna make us wait the 4 minutes, but Germany could do it. Come on, Germany. Do it just before. Come on, Germany. Come on, Germany. That's it. You know you want to. Ping. No, we don't want ping. We want nice and steady. Oil takes a while to hit though. Moves slow. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go, USA Tech. There we go. And I'm right. Broke through consolidation. Short squeeze. Inbound. Short squeeze, short squeeze. Yeah. Short squeeze for sure. Germany, come on. Ooh, yeah, Germany take profit hit secured 399.50. USA Tech. Oh, come on. Oh, you know you want to. Ah. So it hit 8 o'clock though, so it ping up anyway. Yep, USA take profit 517. Nice. Take profits for the day have been hit, but now we place a short on the oil. 750. Let's zoom out for a second on the daily. Stop loss at 75.30 and take profit 74. 13. It's very close, 520. For anyone that missed it, we just hit take profit on USA Tech and Germany 40. So we had Germany 40 here at 24,887, and we hit take profit at 24,979. USA Tech, we were in at 30,347, and we hit take profit at mid high for the day, which was 30,020. And then, as you can see, it dipped straight back down again for a little bit, and then it's going to go back up, and we're going to hit new daily all-time high. I'd set new take profit for 30,450. Entry, try get entry at 30,405. Maybe 10 is the best you're going to get. No, 405. Germany, wait for this to fall down a little bit, but set new take profit at 24,048. No, 25,048. But we've already hit our take profits for the day, so we're up almost 1,000 today. Now we have a short on crude oil, 750. Take profits at 74.12 and stop losses at 75.19. This was beautiful, smashing through consolidation zones, a way to pile up. Like I say, new take profit would be 30,445. Maybe 440, 445, between that zone. Germany, new buy, wait for a little bit of a fall. New buy would be 25,025. Yeah, crude oil is what we're in right now though, short in this. Dressing a little bit. Someone doesn't want the price to go down, but it's gonna. There's more paper hands in this market than there is gold ones, my friend. A lot more paper hands than gold. What did I tell you guys? Consolidation, backup. There we go. Germany's got to do the same thing. Consolidation, backup. Because it's fighting with this price area now. And this one. It's in range. USA Tech, beautiful. Beautiful. Crude oil, not as beautiful. You know, we're up for the day. I think we could possibly just leave it up for the day. Because that's been an hour. So, that's been an hour chat. I've left the oil trade, I still made a profit on that as well. 17,834 is the new account balance. So today we hit our first loss, which was not that great. 192 lost, and then we hit another loss at 128, not great. And then we made all of that back and more with Germany 40 coming in with a 399. USA Tech bouncing back on that revenge trade, getting 517. So all that money and more back, and then some more crude oil. We are up almost £800 for the day. So I think we're up in total maybe. Let me have a quick look here. We're up at least 5, 6. I'd say about almost 700 for the day on the account. Everything hit very nicely. Yeah, a good stream, guys. Great stream. So I will see everybody on the next live stream, which will be tomorrow at the exact same time, between 6:30 and 7 in the morning, and then from there, hopefully I'll see you guys again. Thank everybody for coming in and checking out the stream. Always lovely to have you guys here. I'll see you